Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change a currency on Steam. This is for those people who just currently moved to a different country. For example, you once lived in the Philippines and now you are in China, and your store or Steam store is still set to the Philippines. Well, what you're going to do in here is basically click on your profile right here at the top right, then head over to Store Preferences. All right, once you're in here, go to the account details section, click on that, and simply locate update store country. All right, once you have it located, just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, there will be a message that states your country is part of your Steam account settings. Your country setting affects what you see in Steam Store, the currency you see prices in, and the currency of your wallet. If you have moved to a new country or are living abroad for an extended period of time, you can update your Steam country settings when you complete your first purchase using a payment method from that country. If your location differs from your current Steam account store country setting, you'll have an option to change your store region while you view your cart or as you complete your purchase. And if you're unable to do that, just go ahead and simply contact Steam support. All right, so as what it says here, go ahead and go to the store and select the game that you want to purchase. For example, here I'm going to select Dragon Age, then I'm going to add this to cart. All right, then I'm going to simply hit on continue to payment. All right, now here's what we're looking for. Set your store region preference. Just go ahead and click on it and it will automatically detect the country. If Steam hasn't detected your new country, just go ahead and click on update your store country. But usually your country will be automatically changed in here. If it still hasn't, go ahead and click on this one right here and it's time to contact Steam support. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.